Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm comparing Shopify and Lightspeed, two platforms that help businesses manage sales, inventory, and daily operations. I'll cover features, pricing, and main differences to help you decide which is the better match for your business. But before we get started, here's a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now let's get started. First off, here's a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform made for anyone who wants to sell online, in-store, or both. It's known for being beginner-friendly, easy to set up, and flexible enough to support small businesses all the way up to the big brands. On the other hand, Lightspeed is built mainly for retail stores that need stronger inventory control, advanced POS tools, and detailed reporting. It does offer online selling, but its real strength is helping physical retail shops run smoothly. Now let's compare their features. Shopify gives you everything that you need to build and run an online store. You can create your website, add products, accept payments, set discounts, track orders, and use built-in marketing tools. It also has its own POS system, so you can actually sell in person and manage your online and in-store inventory from one place. On top of that, Shopify has a huge app store where you can really add tools for shipping, email marketing, upselling, reviews, and many other things as your business grows. Lightspeed is a little different. It focuses more on advanced store management. It is great for handling large inventories, working with suppliers, creating product variations, and reordering stock automatically. Its POS system is fast and smooth, which helps you run your store easily. Lightspeed also gives you detailed reports so that you can track sales, understand customer behavior, and see which products are doing well. It does offer e-commerce features, but the website builder is not as flexible or as modern as Shopify. Lightspeed is a better choice if your business needs very organized and accurate inventory control. Next up, let's talk about user experience. Shopify is known really for being simple and friendly for beginners. You don't need any technical skills, and really most people can build a full store in just a few minutes. Everything is clean, guided, and easy to understand. Lightspeed, on the other hand, feels a bit more advanced. It's powerful, but the setup can be more complex, especially for new business owners. It's designed for retailers who want deeper control rather than a quick and simple setup. Finally, pricing. Shopify has 4 monthly plans. Basic is $25 a month. Grow is $65 a month. Advanced is $399 per month. And Plus for large brands starts at $2,300 per month. Lightspeed has 3 monthly plans. Basic is $109 per month. Core is $179 per month. And the Plus plan is $339 per month. Now, which one do you choose? Well, if your main focus is e-commerce and you want something easy, flexible, and beginner-friendly, probably the better choice is Shopify. It's great for building an online store and growing an online store. But if you run a physical retail shop with complex inventory needs and you want stronger in-store tools, Lightspeed is the better option. It's built for serious retail operations that want accuracy and detailed control. That's it for the video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check for the link below. You'll get the 3-day Shopify free trial and the $1 per month offer, and then my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you at all, please be sure to like that video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.